Here's Bear. Your big, beautiful boy. Starting to show some patterns, stripes, and spots. He's gotten real big, hasn't he? There's another kitten right here trying to... What you doing, girl? They're eating good on their own. They're about to be weaned off mama. Give me that belly. Give me that belly. Say bye, Bear.